Welcome and thanks for stopping by to watch my Commission Hero review. If you're looking for more freedom and independence in your life, it's hard to find a better option than making money online. Commission Hero promises to show you how. And it's a big promise, a $1,000 per day promise. At least, $1,000 per day is what the creator of Commission Hero claims to make. I have no reason to doubt him, but when big numbers like that get thrown around, it's hard not to think it's a scam. Especially when he also says, no experience required, as it does in the screenshot below. Of course, that doesn't mean it's a scam, but if you're looking to make money online and you're ready to invest in a course that shows you how, you want to know it's not a scam, right? So, in this Commission Hero review I'm going to explain what it is, how it works, who created it, and of course, whether it's a legit way to make money online or just another scam. What is Commission Hero? Commission Hero is one of the latest make money online products to arrive on ClickBank. Created by super affiliate Robby Blanchard. It claims to be a simple three-step system that uses Facebook to advertise digital products so you can earn big commissions. Sounds simple enough. But how do you earn big commissions? You choose products that have lucrative affiliate programs that pay commissions in the 50% or higher range. There are 3 big secrets that Commission Hero reveals, and finding those high-paying affiliate programs is the first. Secret 1: how to find the best and highest paying offers. Secret 2: how to use Facebook to run ads to those offers and make a profit. Secret 3: Robby Blanchard's 3-step system that psychologically forces people to buy your offers. I know what you're thinking. That's all fine and good, but does it work? When I first learned about Commission Hero, that's what I was thinking too. My first question was this: who is Robby Blanchard? Robby Blanchard makes a pretty bold claim. He says he's the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world. If you're not familiar with ClickBank, it's a massive marketplace where affiliate marketers and vendors, or product creators, come together to form a joint venture. Whether you're a product creator or a product promoter, the top guys on ClickBank earn 6- and 7-figure incomes. So, if you're saying you're the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world, what you're really saying is this: I'm kind of a big deal. And as it turns out, Robby Blanchard is kind of a big deal. At least when it comes to marketing. He is the CEO of Blanchard Media with clients such as Fit Body Bootcamp, Paleo Secret and Jason Capital International. His company offers services such as speaking engagements, ad campaign management, private consulting and coaching. Is he really the #1 ClickBank affiliate though? Yes, he is. Or at least at the time he held the top spot on ClickBank's leaderboard. So, Robby Blanchard is the real deal. That doesn't necessarily mean Commission Hero is the right product for you, or that you'll be earning $1,000 per day like Robby does. But, since he knows what he's teaching, we're at least off to a good start. Is Commission Hero a scam? Even though Robby Blanchard is legit, that doesn't mean Commission Hero is. I've paid for courses that overpromised and underdelivered before, and although I wouldn't say they were scams, they also were not shy to take my money while giving me information that was either incomplete, outdated or useless. So, even though I was beginning to think Commission Hero was legit, I was still skeptical. There are flat-out scams that just take your money and run, and then there are questionable products that some might call half scams. Common examples are internet marketing products like 6-figure mentors that sell you a legit system but hide the fact, until after you've paid, that you're going to need a lot more money for additional courses, tools and most importantly, traffic to make it work. These additional expenses can easily run into the thousands. That's not the case with Commission Hero. Robby is completely upfront about his system using paid traffic. The other shady tactic used by a lot of scams are high-ticket upsells. You join for $100 or less, get some basic information that just teases you with possibilities, and then you find out the good stuff is going to cost you thousands of dollars more. Sometimes tens of thousands of dollars. As of now, what you see is what you get here. I can't say for certain there will never be upsells that go along with Commission Hero, but for now it's a complete course that covers beginner to advanced strategies. And it's not a scam. How does Commission Hero work? Commission Hero is structured in a way that gives you step-by-step instructions to setting up a profitable sales funnel and sending traffic to it using Facebook ads. Commission Hero Dashboard. Commission Hero Outline. The course outline begins with a Getting Started section that explains some of the basics and moves on through some advanced strategies such as link tracking and scaling your campaigns. Getting started: what is affiliate marketing, ad accounts, ClickFunnels, ClickBank, MaxWeb, choosing the right offers, finding the right offers on ClickBank, finding the right offers on MaxWeb, finding the right offers on A4D, and so on. Bonuses: $1 million landing page swipes, ClickFunnels, $1 million landing page swipes, PHP, Mindset Images, CPA. Contacts: you also get access to the Commission Hero Facebook group and when it becomes available. The Inner Circle Coaching. Commission Hero pricing and payments. The current price is $997. It's a one-time with a split payment option. A common question that seems to be getting asked though, is how does Commission Hero pay you? How do you earn money from Commission Hero? While Commission Hero does have an affiliate program that pays you a commission when you successfully recommend it to others, your source of income does not come from Commission Hero. Commission Hero teaches you to find other people's products through affiliate networks such as ClickBank, MaxWeb, and A4D. When you promote and sell those products, you earn commissions which are paid by one of those affiliate networks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below this video to register for the free training.